it up. As soon as you get your new silk. You gotta put hey guys, once you write your problem, your addition problem, and your multiplication problem, everybody's eyes on me. I don't have everybody's eyes. Once you have written your addition problem and your multiplication problem, are you supposed to put the answer? Are you supposed to actually solve the problem? Yes. Don't just write it. Solve it. Whoop. Okay, let's look. How many? Well, these aren't supposed to be distributed equally to you guys. Look. How many do we have here? Let's see. Look. How many do we have? Oh, are you? How many? Zachary said it. So there's 8 what? Now you got to figure out how many are in each group.
I already know. It's 9.
They don't. All right. Got 1 more minute with this rotation. This one. Thank you so much. Thank you.
They poke you. Because I got phone calls.
Okay, we have that. Okay, listen. How many groups are there? How many groups of Legos do we have? Where's the other one? Okay, guys, you need to keep it out so everybody can see it. Or then people are going to get confused. You guys done? Alright, do not, just keep them in the middle of the table so that everybody can see and they don't get confused and lose their numbers. I picked them this morning.
Another paper. No,
Dominica's using a good strategy. She's drawing a picture. She's doing her own picture on her paper. We still got some more 9s to add, don't we? Cross it off every time. If you need to, just cross it off every time you've added a 9. Alright, can I get my helpers to go ahead? Yes, you may throw that away. We told them what happens whenever they don't have one of those. Oh no, that's good. Okay, where are you at? You're at 95? 45? What are you gonna add at 45? What are you gonna add to that? Huh? Added 9, so that's your next one. 54 is what you got to. Okay, now we're going to add how much more? 9. Now, so we're at 54, start it with. How many more 9s do we need to add? No. Just one. Because we're going to start with 9. Alright, just add one more and then you got your answer. Alright guys, we got to move on. I need my helpers to help me get my, who are my helpers? Abby? Abby and Zachary, can you help me get my stuff and put it back up here?
It's Abby and Mom.
Oh, Abby and Ahmed, come on.
I had a question.
Yes, sir. We're going to go over this. Okay, we'll go over it. Alright. Okay. So let's go over our bean bags. Where are my bean bags? Let me see them. Thank you, Abby. Thanks, bud. Alright, go ahead and see. Everybody go ahead and look at your bean bag section. I shouldn't hear any voices. Alright, how many bags did I have total? How many bags are there?
4.
There are 4. So how many groups?
8.
No, how?
4.
Listen to what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying. Groups. How many groups? Raise your hand if you'd like to share with the class. How many groups? Brianna?
4.
There's 4 groups. How many are in each group, Brianna?
8.
There's 8 in each group. So if we would write this as an addition problem, Trey, what would we write?
8, 8, 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8.
8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Which would be what, Ryan? 32. If you add 8 4 times, you're skip counting by 8, you're going to get 32. What is this as a multiplication problem, Dominica?
4 times 8 equals 32.
4 times 8 equals 32. That's right. That's exactly right. Okay, next group that we worked with, or the next, yes ma'am, Miss Abby. I have a question. Is 8 times 4 the same as 4 times 8? If you switched it, would I get the same answer? Yes, I would. That's right. Legos. We're going to move on to Legos. How many stacks did I have? How many were in each group? Lucy? How many? Well, oh, sorry. That was my fault. How many groups are there? There's 3 groups. How many are in each stack? 7. That's right. So we've got 3 groups, 7 in each stack. So what would we do if we added this as an addition problem? What would we do, Ahmed?
Add 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21.
7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 21. If you're skip counting by 7, you're adding 7 3 times, you're going to get 21. What is this as a multiplication problem, Jared?
3 times 7 equals 21.
3 times 7 equals 21. That is correct. The next, if you're, guys, I want you looking at your paper. Looking at your paper, make sure you got the same thing as your group. All right. Next one is flowers. Flowers. How many flower pots did we have, Zachary?
4.
We had 4 flower pots. How many flowers were in each pot, Emily? 2. So what would we do if we were to do this as an addition problem? What would we do? Who's not told me? Markiah. What would we do if we had to add our flower pots? What did you put? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And is she correct?
Yes.
Yes, she is. She's correct. What did you get, Markiah? She got 8. There's 8 flowers total. If we were to do this as a multiplication problem, what would we say? Ahmed. 4 times 2 equals what?
8.
Equals 8. Same answer. It's the same thing. All right, this one was a little bit of a challenge for you guys. The last one, the popsicle sticks. How many groups of sticks were there? How many groups were there? Brianna?
8.
There were 8 groups. How many were in each group? Zachary?
9.
There were 9 in each group. So if we were to add, I see Uriah X'd out every time he added it. So he could keep track of how many times he had added 9. That's a really good idea. Okay, so what did you get? If you added 9 8 times, what did you get, Uriah? 72. 72. He added 8 added 9 8 times. Added 9 8 times and got 72. Now, as a multiplication problem, how would you